Hi, this is Ann with Graphic Design How To, and today I'm going to show you how to use MidJourney AI in Discord to create artificial intelligence artwork. So what is MidJourney? MidJourney AI is a way that you can type in a prompt and this software will actually create artwork based on what you typed in. Right now you have to use kind of a chat room called Discord in order to use this software, and it's not very intuitive. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first we'll head over to midjourney.com and then we'll choose join the beta, and this will take us to Discord. And so here you'll need to click accept invite. And if you don't already have a username and password for Discord, you'll need to set one up. And I'll just put my name in there. You'll have to do the little I am human thing. You'll have to put in your date of birth, which I'll just randomly put something in here. Then you'll need to enter your email and password and you'll claim your account. Now I already have a Discord, so I've signed in here. You'll want to make sure you're on MidJourney, which is this little icon right over here. Next, go to this section here and scroll down to Newbies 123 or any of these other Newbies rooms. These are like chat rooms if you're from the old school like me. Basically, you can just chat with people in here and that kind of thing. Now at the bottom right here, you'll want to type /imagine, and this is the slash that's right on the same key as the question mark. Then when you hit the space bar, you'll get the little prompt. At that point, you can type any word and it'll ask you to accept their terms. So you'll need to do that. So for the prompt, I'm just going to enter silver ball floating in a blue sky with dystopian background. Very realistic. And this is just to give you an idea of the types of things that you can type into your prompt to get artwork. I'm going to hit enter or return. Here I can see it sending the command. And you'll see it kind of make the images as it goes. Here it'll show you how much is done. It takes about a minute. And you'll probably have to scroll back up because everybody else is also making images too. So this turned out really interesting. I'm going to click on this one and choose Open Original. So I didn't really think it was going to give me this kind of result, but I'm really loving it. I've got a kind of dystopian city reflecting off of my silver ball, so that is really cool. That happened in 2 of them, and in this one it kind of looks like the ball itself is a little dystopian, and this one I'm not crazy about, but obviously I've got these 3 other options that are really great. Okay, I'm going to go back to the Discord, and now there are these buttons down here. These mean upscales and variations, so you can click one of these and get 4 different results. So I'm going to try V2. You'll have to scroll all the way down to the bottom to see your variations. And then you can click see the results. And this has given us 4 different variations of that original ball. So yeah, it's really realistic and really cool and would be a great help if you're trying to think of, a painting idea or something like that. All right, I wanted to keep this video super short just so you could get started, but there are a couple things to know about MidJourney. What I showed you today is the free version, and you cannot use free version images commercially. If you want to use these images to sell, you need to get a premium license with MidJourney AI. You can use the free version images for personal use, so if you wanted to make yourself a t-shirt or something, but no selling. Another thing to think about is whenever you're in Discord entering your prompts, just keep in mind that everyone else in Discord can see what you entered too and see the artwork that you created. So you might not want to enter anything too crazy or something that would compromise your privacy. All right, I hope you liked this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.